Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, another slow day, and I'm not sure if we get much more action today, because remember it's Friday, so we might not see too much more action today, but we'll see. We are going to take a look at the short-term bullish as well as short-term bearish scenario for Bitcoin. Both are valid. Parameters are crystal clear. Shouldn't be any surprises here at the moment. And let's take a look at the short-term bearish one first. Okay, let's start with that one. This is the 30-minute chart. You see the entire price action that developed since this third wave topped early middle of March. And we've seen here a wave W to the downside, an X wave rally, and now a Y wave to the downside. This Y wave is an ABC structure. That's sort of how I see this. So wave W, it's a three-wave move. Then the the X wave is also a three-wave move. And then the Y wave is also a three-wave move. It consists of an A wave in three waves, a B wave flat, and a C wave would be a five-wave pattern, of which we completed possibly yesterday wave 1 to the downside. So we could be working on wave 2 now, then get a third wave down, fourth wave and fifth wave. Yeah, and where could that send us? I mean, really the target zone is already on the chart and has been for a while. We already reached it here. Okay, so that was the 100% extension when I told you for the first time the low could be in, really. Also, I'd be happy with it. But obviously it takes a little bit more than, that I say it could be in to really confirm that. So we need a little bit more action. It's possible that this WXY extended, okay, and therefore the lower ranges are possible as well. 57.5k, 55.9 and 53.5k are all relevant support levels and target levels for the C wave down. That's the short-term bearish count. And in this scenario, if we zoom in a little bit, obviously we talked about this as a B wave top, okay? Remember the A wave top bottomed on the 13th of April, and then A wave up, B wave down, C wave up in 5 waves. That's why a 5-wave move isn't really enough to confirm that we've bottomed. So it's like A of B of B, C of B. And then if we take a look at it from there, we have a 5-wave move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can also be interpreted as a 3-wave move, so it's not crystal clear. Therefore, I told you, as long as we're holding support, we can still watch for higher. But this could be a wave 1 down, and I expected a bounce either way. And yeah, this could be the wave 2, A, B, C, and then possibly a third wave down from there, 4, 5. Okay, and in this scenario, if we go even more into even more detail, it's possible, due to this 5-wave move down, that this was, as I said, the wave 1. This move up was in 5 waves, so it could be the A wave of wave 2. Someone asked me yesterday, is it enough if we get 5 waves up? No, we need 5 waves up above resistance because of that reason. So if this is a 5-wave pattern to the upside, it suggests that we get one more leg up before breaking below the Thursday low, which, however, would be now the ideal spot to start that leg up. But that would not necessarily be bullish. Short term, maybe, and we could work on an ABC structure here in wave B, A, B, C of wave 2, and then still come down. So that is the short-term bearish count. Obviously, if we break below yesterday's low straight away, then we might not see that C wave. Okay, it's just on the smallest time frames, there are a lot of distortions. This might seem like a 5-wave move up. Good base, good foundation for a rally, but it's not much of a rally there now. Okay, it's just a potential. So in the short-term bullish count, which we definitely give the benefit of the doubt at the moment, but only as long as support levels are holding, we have an A, B, C structure. The low could be in here. That 19th of April low might have marked the completion of the 4th wave pullback. And then the move up was a wave 1. Pullback was a wave 2. The problem is this pullback that we've seen into yesterday's low was not clearly a 3-wave move. If I interpret the B wave as a triangle, I can get away with it, but it's just not great. And then therefore we wanted to see 5-wave move up. Yep, we've seen that. 3-wave pullback. Yep, but deep into support now. 63.3k is for me the line in the sand where a break to the downside becomes more likely. And we could now, I mean, if it starts from here, it should really, well, if a third wave starts, or even the C wave in the white count, that should start from here now, and then a 4-5, and then we'll take it from there. But it would need a break above resistance to indicate this is the third wave in yellow. For now, we are dancing on support, so it doesn't give me a really warm feeling here, Any break now below the intraday low will make it more and more likely that we're breaking down, that we're actually in the white count, and then there would be some opportunities maybe to accumulate, adding for anybody who is looking for lower prices on the Bitcoin chart to trade the larger fifth wave, which should start as soon as this overall correction is finished. Yeah, the correction could be finished, as I said, we're holding above support, but Bitcoin is just not showing that momentum that we want to see really. So that would, that there's more to be proven. But that should give you all the parameters really. I mean, what I haven't talked about is this resistance area to really confirm further that we have bottomed in wave 2 in the yellow count yesterday. We need 5 waves above resistance. The resistance zone ends at 66,400. That's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.